Hi everyone and welcome back. I am Danilo Romolini and check out where I brought you today. We are on the shores of the iconic Lake Maggiore and today we have a fantastic weather, ideal to show you this one-of-a-kind property. The house was designed and constructed by the architects Dara, Huang and Roberto Manzetti. The construction took about 3 years and it was finished in 2019. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. It is located inside a private gated estate and it is made up of 2 plots of land. The smaller one, it is dedicated to a garage space and parking area. It is about 1,250 square meters. And the bigger one, dedicated to the villa, it is about 2,500 square meters. The villa has this very particular design and it is made up mostly of cement, steel and glass. It is surrounded by this garden area made up of several terraces and they are elevating the villa as if it is literally a piece of art. In this home, nothing has been overlooked. Every detail has been refined and taken care of. Let's start by the entrance door. As we walk inside, we straight away feel this impressive space. It is full of natural light, coming from every side. All of the floors are made out of travertino marble. The windows are sky frame, and they can be opened to let you enjoy an unforgettable indoor-outdoor living experience. All of the living spaces of the villa are right in front of the lake, facing the water. On this side, as we walk by the entrance door, we find this sitting area. Right in front, there is this gorgeous panel with, on the lower side, the gas fireplace. On the left side, we can open it with a controller and right behind the panel there is the TV. In terms of systems, there is an underfloor heating in every room, aside from the basement. Or there are also splits for air conditioning and heating. The vacuum for cleaning is centralized and you just have to plug in the tube in the various sockets. Security-wise, there is a camera and alarm system, both for indoor and outdoor spaces. The kitchen is right beside the living area. It is a Rossana kitchen with Gaggenau appliances, and everything is hidden. There are not even door handles. Both the living area and the kitchen have a direct access onto this front terrace right in front of the villa with this beautiful travertine marble on the floor. And this terrace hosts these gorgeous outdoor living spaces, perfect for al fresco dining, for breakfast, for lunch, or simply to relax right in front of this relaxing view. Before I show you the rest of the outdoor spaces, let's first see the bedrooms. Let's start from the ground floor where we find 2. This is the first one. It is right by the living area, full of natural light and every detail has been taken care of. On the floor we find the carpet instead of the marble. I love the way that all of the door handles are hidden, and to open the wardrobe there is this system over here. The bathroom is mostly covered with travertino marble, which has been treated on the floor whilst it has been left natural on the walls. As we approach the second bedroom on the ground floor, let me mention that by the entrance door we have a service bathroom, very comfortable for all of the living spaces. Then over here there is this office corner, very convenient. Right behind the kitchen we have a laundry area, and on this side we get to the bedroom. Let's have a look. It is in the same style as the other bedroom, with the ensuite bathroom over here completely covered in travertino. All of these beautiful, relaxing, light colors, the carpet on the floor, and have a look at this very particular side table for the bed made out of travertino marble. To get to the upper floor of the villa, we pass through these beautiful steps. They are made out of marble as well, and each one of the steps is reinforced as well with stainless steel. Let's now go upstairs. On the first floor, there is just as much light as downstairs. There are two huge windows on both sides. Over here we get to a beautiful terrace facing the water, and through these two doors we get to the other two bedrooms of the house. Let's start from the smaller one on my right. It is as well in the same style as the other bedrooms, with carpet on the floor, the bed facing the terrace with the water view. On this side we have on the left the walk-in wardrobe, whilst on the right we have the ensuite bathroom with the shower. And finally, the master bedroom of the villa. It is very spacious, full of natural light, and all of these curtains can close for full darkness. Over here you can notice the split for the air conditioning or the heating, but there is also underfloor heating. On this side we keep going and we find on the right this large walk-in wardrobe with hidden door handles, and on the left we have the ensuite bathroom. This is definitely the largest ensuite bathroom of the villa, and it is the only bathroom with its own bathtub and at the same time large shower. I love how there is so much natural light. Now that we've seen all of the living spaces, let me mention that the basement level right below the villa is 634 square meters, and it hosts some immense spaces. Let's now keep going with the outdoor spaces. Let's step down from the travertino terrace we've seen earlier, and we keep going onto this garden terrace. I love how there is this beautiful fireplace. It is gas powered, and it is perfect to enjoy a nice evening with your friends or with your family right in front of the lake with the sound of the water in the background. By the way, the villa is facing south, so it enjoys sunsets and sunrises every day. On this level of the terrace, we also have a gorgeous jacuzzi to relax in front of the water. And then we step down onto the lower terrace again. It is covered with this beautiful wooden paving. And on this side we find this gorgeous dining area with the table made out of travertino marble. On the right we have this fully equipped stainless steel kitchen for outdoors with the sink over here. These are some storage spaces. Over here we have a lovely wine fridge. Then that's the barbecue for the most challenging steaks. And then over here we have some more drawers. One last thing I would love to mention is that all of this area is shaded by this gorgeous sail-shaped covering, which can roll and open or close, giving more or less shade. And finally, the amazing private dock of the villa. Here you can keep your boat to enjoy some fantastic days out in the lake with this beautiful weather. What better place to end the property tour than here? From this position we have an amazing view on the villa and we can really appreciate how special it is. I hope you liked it just as much as I did. Before I leave you, please remember to leave a comment letting me know what you think about this property, and also subscribe to our channel to see the best homes of Italy every week. I will see you soon. Ciao.